These were my toes about 2 weeks ago. Well, this is them now. Big toe on my right foot is playing catch up. Don't mind that, but look how much they've grown. Do you remember when I said I was trying something different because my mom's pedicures last forever, her polish never chips? Well, I used what I thought was base coat, but in reality, she's using a strengthener. And although they're grown out, I feel like the polish is hanging on, so she might be onto something. So that's what I'm gonna use for this pedicure as well. I wanted to go for some nail art, but I decided to kind of keep it simple because I wanted to do henna. Because when I was scrolling through my photos, I got this memory. And I was like, hold up, why did I stop doing this? And because I don't draw as much as I used to, it was a great way to keep up my muscle memory. So at the end of this video, I'm going to be attempting to recreate that design. I don't think I nailed it, but I'm about to get a lot of practice in. And part of that is actually my henna mixture. Because I haven't made it in so long, I forgot my technique. I still have my recipe only because I put it in the description box of one of my old videos. But in terms of just knowing when the consistency is just right, I ain't got that. So we're going to just keep it cute with a nude because yes, I still have this Bernadette Thompson nude, which unfortunately looks like it is no longer operating. But if I am incorrect, please direct me to where I can find some because I am upset. And if you were looking for some like easy nail art that'll be cute for the summer, that'll be in the next video. As you may or may not know, I've recently found that running a website is outside of my bandwidth right now, but I still think Squarespace is a great resource. Squarespace could not make it easier for you. You got templates. All you have to do is add in the copy. Not to mention at any point, I could just pick up where I left off. Now is just not the time. But what I do have time for is my bio site. So that I have updated. if you're looking for pretty much anything that I own. I still think it's one of the best ways to connect your entire online presence, all of your socials, website, storefront, everything together. It can become a landing page for anything that you want to share, no matter what kind of creator you are, whether it's art, music, blog. And if you want feedback, you can track insights and analytics right on your phone through the app. Head to squarespace.com/abetweene or just use my code abetweene for 10% off your first purchase.